Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Adriana Maisara binti Sapuan and my metric number is 2214420. And today I will walk you through how I run multiple regression analysis in SPSS to support my research. So the purpose of this study to see how my four factors in this case, which is total cost, the perceived trust, and then the entertainment motivations and comments and reviews, influence the behavior of the consumer online shopping cart abandonment in e-commerce stores in Malaysia. Before I run the regression, I need to calculate the final score for each of my variables using the min function in the SPSS. So this is my data set, as you can see here. How I got all these 5 min here. So firstly is to click on the transform and then go to compute variables. And then here is select the target variable first. First, you need to select your dependent variable, which is my dependent variable is cart abandonment. So first, you just need to click on CA, which is this one, and then average. And then in the numeric expression box, first you need to find the min function, which is just search min, and then you click on min. And then after min, you just need to remove the question mark and then put all the cart abandonment variable. So for example, CA1, and then you remove the question mark, CA2, and then CA3, and then CA4, and then CA5, and then CA6, and CA7. So after doing all of this, you need to click OK. So mine, I already done it. So I repeat all the steps that I've done just now on these other variables. So once all those averages are ready, we are good to run the regressions. Now go to analyze and then go to regression and linear. So on the dependent variable, just need to click on the average, the dependent average that we just do just now. So click on the cart abandonment average. On the independent, you just need to put on other variable, which is independent variable average that we also just done a few seconds ago. Like this. And then on the statistics, just need to click on the estimates, model fit, and then R square change, and then descriptive and combinatory diagnostics. And then continue. And then on the plots, I just leave it like that. And then for save, I just leave the confidence interval on 95%. I don't touch on style and bootstraps. So click OK. So this is what I've got. First, let's look at the model summary. The R square value, as you can see here, is 0.529, which means that 52.9% of the variation in the shopping cart abandonment explained by the 4 independent variable in the study. So the adjusted R square is 0.510, indicating that the model remains strong after adjusting for the numbers of predictors, which is the CRA, PTA, TCA, and EMA. Overall, this suggests that the regression model has a good explanatory power. So let's look at the ANOVA table. So the F value here is 27.839, which a significance value of less than 0.01. This result indicates that the regression model is statistically significant, meaning that the independent variable collectively have a significant effect on the shopping cart abandonment. Now I will explain the influence of each independent variable based on the coefficient table. So the first one for the total cost average, the total cost has a positive and significant effect on shopping cart abandonment. So the standardized beta, as you can see, is 0.433, and the significance value is less than 0.001. So this means that when consumer perceive the total cost to be high, they are more likely to abandon their shopping cart. Among all variable, total cost is the strongest predictors of the shopping cart abandonment. And then we're looking at the perceived trust average. The perceived trust shows a negative but not a significant relationship with the shopping cart abandonment. The significance value is 0.199, which is higher than 0.05. So this indicates that perceived trust does not significantly influence shopping cart abandonment in this study. And then for the inter motivation, has a positive and statistically significant effect on the cart abandonment. The beta value here is 0.234, which is significance value is 0.019. So this shows that the consumer who browse online shopping platforms for entertainment purpose are more likely to add items to their cart without completing this purchase. And the last one is comments review, also has positive and significant effect on shopping cart abandonment. The beta value here shows that 0.240 and the significance value is 0.022. So this means that the negative or concerning comments and reviews may increase consumers' hesitations, leading them to abandon their shopping carts. In conclusion, the result shows that total cost, entertainment, motivations, and comments and reviews significantly influence online shopping cart abandonment, while perceived trust does not have significant effects. So, among all the variables, total cost is the most influential factors, highlighting the importance of transparent pricing and cost management strategies for online retailers. So, I think that's all from me. Thank you, and assalamu alaikum.